got some new headlights. Have a look at these bad boys. We're talking 3-inch projectors with 55 watt 6K HIDs, H1. And so there we are. Have a gaze. It looks like OEM. It's got a very nice clean look. As you can sort of see if you look on the fridge. It's got a very nice, like a Arctic white sort of. And is this going to focus? There you are. It's just a very nice pure white. Lovely, delightful. So what we have here is where it's hooked up. It goes straight into the original connector. There we are, xenon, ballast, 55 watt. I'm not lying, am I? There you are. Hook straight in there, goes in there. The actual job of putting the actual projector lens in is actually really easy. I didn't film it, but like you can probably just work it out yourself. Like, it's really easy. These ones do have the adjustable focal point, as in you can change it from low beam to high beam and just adjust the spread. Quite nice, nifty, I like it. Most importantly, how much do you think this cost me? Looking at the 2 projectors, the 2 HIDs, you know, the whole taking in and out, the screws, the bolts, the washers, the polymer grommets. Surely it's got to be expensive, right? Well, you're right, it is, but it's only $70, so it's not too expensive. Okay, 70 bucks in your back pocket. If we compare it to the Xenons on the facelifted E46, note the different headlight design. It's got more of a bit of an eyelash, as they call it. So these are Xenons, and they do have an actual projector lens. Just that this has the shroud around it. Mine doesn't have the shroud around it, which I'll show you in a second. But this is about 4.5K. It's very strongly yellow, and as you can sort of tell over there. Come on. Well, listen, I don't have a very good camera, but it looks a little bit different in real life. It looks very nice. It looks like an ice cream. Something to note, and the actual spread and the actual formation of the light in terms of, I know it's not a flat wall, but you can tell it's not very distinctive in terms of its line. I mean, it's a little bit, you know, we're just splitting hairs at this point, but yeah, lovely. I would recommend it. I mean, if you really want me to make a video on how to put it in, I can, but it's just so simple, and chances are you could probably work it out yourself. But I mean, if there's a need, I'll do it. What the people want, you know, let me know. Next video is going to be on what I should buy next. And there's just some random people staring at me. But I'm not sure what to buy, and we'll have to sort it out. The options are E92 M3, F80 M3, F82 M4, F87 M2. So that's 5 cars, or an M140. I'm not sure what to buy, but I've got plenty of money. No, I don't. But I've got no money, but I wanna get into it. So let me know if you've got experiences in a couple of those cars. But yeah, I reckon the M4 is probably the way to go. But we'll talk about that a bit later. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it, and I'm actually really enjoying my headlights. So yes, thank you, and goodbye.